Welcome to the best picks. The best baby cough medicine is probably one of the most important things to have on hand when your little one is under the weather. Dealing with a baby's cough and mucus can be stressful, but knowing the right medicine can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore the best options to help your baby feel better and breathe easier. Number 5. Frida Baby Breathe Easy Kit. This kit includes 3 essential items designed to help your baby breathe easier when they're feeling under the weather. It's a convenient solution for providing comfort and relief to your little one during sick days. These wipes are infused with chamomile, aloe, eucalyptus, and vitamin E. They're designed to help your baby breathe easy. You can use them instead of a chest balm. The Breathe Frida Vapor Rub is a soothing, no-mess chest balm. It's made with natural eucalyptus and lavender essential oils, perfect for sensitive skin. It provides gentle comfort for your baby. The Breathe Frida Vapor Drops can be added to bath water or a diffuser. They contain organic eucalyptus essential oil, offering comfort during sick days. It's a great way to soothe your baby. This kit is a baby registry must-have and makes a perfect baby shower gift. It's a thoughtful gift option for any parent in need. Give the gift of comfort and easy breathing. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive approach to baby's congestion relief. It includes wipes, a chest rub, and vapor drops, providing multiple ways to soothe your little one. If you're looking for a complete solution to tackle congestion from multiple angles, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I bought these specifically for the vapor drops and they were a godsend. I use them whenever my daughter is sick. I'll put them in her baths and the humidifier. I'll also rub the vapor stick on her before bed and naps, and it really helps her get over the cold faster. This is a must-have for babies and toddlers. Frida Baby knocked it out of the park. All of these items work so well and help when my kid is sick. This kit was a must for me this winter. The drops alone supported congestion very well. Not only using a humidifier but putting drops into a warm bath was very helpful. The vapor stick is easy to use and apply to an infant without a mess or a struggle. Number 4. Frida Baby No Mess Vapor Rub. Tired of messy vapor rub? This product offers a hands-free application directly from the tube to your baby's skin. It's convenient and keeps your hands clean. This vapor rub is made with a lightweight, water-based formula. It goes on light and leaves no greasy residue. It's gentle and effective for your baby. Worried about stains? The petroleum-free formula washes out easily. It won't stain clothes or sheets, providing peace of mind. Apply this chest rub to your baby's chest, neck, back, or feet. It provides soothing relief that lasts, helping your little one feel better. The calming eucalyptus, mint, and lavender essential oils create a relaxing atmosphere. It helps set the mood for sleep, ensuring a peaceful night for your baby. What we like. This vapor rub features a convenient, hands-free applicator, making application a breeze. Its petroleum-free formula ensures it goes on light and won't stain clothes. If you value ease of use and a gentle formula, this product is ideal for you. What people say. When my toddler was suffering from a cold, I applied on his bedtime and I was amazed at how effective it was. With a congested nose making it hard for my little one to sleep. The soothing scents of eucalyptus and lavender made my toddler was able to breathe easier and drift off to sleep peacefully. It works great for soothing my baby's congestion, and I love how gentle it is. Super easy to apply with no mess on your fingers. Number 3. Resfriolito Baby Cough Syrup Plus Mucus 2 Fluid Ounces. Introducing Resfriolito Baby, a safe and effective cough and mucus relief for your little one. It's specially formulated for infants 2 months and older. This product is designed to help your baby feel better. This syrup is made with organic agave syrup and ivy leaf extract. It's a natural grape flavor that babies often enjoy. The ingredients are carefully selected to provide gentle relief. Rest assured, it contains no alcohol, dyes, artificial flavors, or sweeteners. It's a dietary supplement with a gluten-free formula. This means it's gentle on your baby's system. Resfriolito Baby is safe and effective for babies 12 months and older. It's designed to provide relief while being gentle. Give your baby the comfort they deserve. The natural grape flavor makes it easier for your baby to take. It's a pleasant tasting syrup that can help soothe their cough and mucus. Try it today and see the difference it makes. Please remember, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional. What we like. This cough syrup uses organic agave syrup and has a natural grape flavor that kids will love. It's also free of alcohol, dyes, and artificial sweeteners. If you are looking for a natural and tasty option for your baby, this is a great choice. What people say. Desde la primera dosis. Ayudó mucho a mi bebé, excellent producto para bebés. It worked for my 2-month-old baby. Number 2. HYLAND'S Baby Mucus and Cold Relief Value Pack. This value pack provides both daytime and nighttime relief for your baby. It's designed to help with mucus and cold symptoms. This medicine can help your baby feel better day or night. This product offers natural relief for common cold symptoms. It helps with congestion, runny noses, and coughs. It's a gentle way to help your baby feel more comfortable. It addresses a range of symptoms, including irritability and fussiness. It can also help with occasional sleeplessness that comes with a cold. This medicine is designed to provide comprehensive relief. Each bottle contains up to 23 doses, providing plenty of relief. The pack includes both daytime and nighttime formulas. This ensures you have what you need to help your baby. HYLAND'S formulas use natural active ingredients. They are safe and gentle for babies. There are no known drug interactions, so you can use it with confidence. HYLAND'S has a long history of providing quality health products. They have been helping families for over a century. You can trust this brand to help keep your family healthy. What we like. This product provides both daytime and nighttime relief, addressing your baby's needs around the clock. It uses natural active ingredients and has no known drug interactions. If you need a comprehensive solution for both day and night, you should consider this. What people say. Helped my baby with a cough and mucus. This product works great. Cleared up my baby's congestion. Number 1. ZARBEE'S Children's Honey Cough Syrup Plus Mucus. This is ZARBEE'S Children's Daytime Honey Cough Syrup Plus Mucus. It's designed for children aged 2 and up. It helps clear mucus and supports their immune system. The syrup contains dark honey and ivy leaf extract. These ingredients work together to soothe coughs and help clear mucus, so your child can feel better. The syrup has a delicious mixed berry flavor that kids will love. It's naturally sweetened, with honey and elderberry providing the only sugars. It also includes zinc and elderberry to support the body's natural immune system. The formula is free of drugs, alcohol, and artificial additives. ZARBEE'S is the #1 pediatrician recommended cough syrup for children 12 and under. Keep it on hand to help your child feel their best. What we like. This syrup is formulated with honey and ivy leaf extract to soothe coughs and clear mucus. It is the #1 pediatrician recommended cough syrup. If you like a trusted brand with a natural, effective formula, this is the one for you. What people say. This product was extremely effective, even more so Thab Children's Mucinex, with a taste and texture that is more palatable and easy to conceal in other foods like applesauce, yogurt, and oatmeal, so I can be sure he takes his full dose. My family has been using ZARBEE'S for a few years. When my daughter was little, we started using the cough syrup and it worked amazing. It does the job, and I love that it has extra vitamins in it to boost your immune system. We trust 100% ZARBEE'S Children's Cough Syrup. We reach for this many times during the winter season for all of our children and even myself. The relief seems almost instant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.